just out doing some work today. I think it's my first Saturday back since the school year started. I just got done mowing. You can see the mowers behind me. Got everything pretty well cut. Finally remembered to bring the weed eater back out today. And I was using that. Got some things trimmed around the fence. That's kind of nice. David ran to get the new hydraulic hose for the backhoe, the one that blew in one of our last videos. We were talking here recently and he was saying he's really lucky that we weren't running it for very long because that hydraulic fluid really heats up. For those of you who know how hydraulic fluid works, I didn't know this, but it heats up really hot, so he could have gotten burned. So thankfully, we only had the stink and not the burn from the hydraulic fluid. That's good. So I'm just cruising back to drop off the mower. I was gonna do some more weed eating, but unfortunately the weed eater died. And I don't know how these man toys work, so I'm gonna let the man deal with it. I gotta back the mower into the spot where we lock it up. And that always gets a little trickier since no fun to back up, but it's really handy, so I'll take that any day. It's just hard to back up. Got some more cleared out last time. It's looking like over there by the outhouse, and it's looking like the rain kind of compacted it down, the dirt that is. So that's good. David's got some more cleared out today. Don't know if you can see, but that path is just a little bit wider, which is great. We're gonna try to widen out this whole space as best we can and just see where we're at. So sorry if my camera's a little shaky. I got a little bit of tennis elbow going on with my right hand, and holding that weed eater just is a good reminder of how much upper arm strength, or upper body strength I don't have, especially in my arms. I should really be working out more. So I'm gonna get this thing backed up, and then gonna see what else we can get done today. Hopefully we'll get the hose put on the backhoe over there. Hopefully another one doesn't explode. Thankfully, one of the local guys that we got it from is there today, and he said he would, even though he's not open, he said he would get the hose made for us. He'd cut another one for us, or I don't know really how they do it. I guess they just cut it and do some things to it, but to finish it off. But he's gonna get it cut for us, or sorry, made for us, and then we'll get it put on the backhoe. David's finally got the right size wrenches, as you saw in the last video, and we're hoping to be able to dig out some stumps and that nothing else explodes like Old Faithful. So, all right, see what we get done today. He's back. Let's see if we can get this on. No, I'm not driving and recording anything on my phone. You are. New and improved.
Yep.
That looks so much nicer.
Oh, that ain't the right size. That's not either.
Back to the drawing board.
There it is.
I really hope none of the other ones blow.
Well,
I'm just worried now that it's gonna spray you and hurt you.
nah. Hopefully that's tight enough.
Hopefully.
And now we just get to start it up and see. Excuse me.
Okay. We got it fired up. There's another rat in the backhoe. He's a big sucker.
I don't see any leaks.
I hope not. Where'd the rat go? He ran up in the arm. And we haven't seen him come out yet. I think he may have visited our outhouse too, because there's turds all over it. Great. He's gonna aim that thing right at me, and that rat's gonna come flying out and hit me in the head. I'm working on it. Where's the rat? I know. Good grief. Well, I'm over the trees. Let's see. Now that I'm out of the way. Where's the rat decide to take a ride? I'm gonna try to dig this stuff out again. And wait for the rat to come out of that backhoe. Unless it did already, I may have missed it. We are just waiting for David to scream for the rat. He said he didn't see it run out of there, so this ought to be entertaining. Anything more exciting happens, just get the dirt loosened up. Guess what? I was just standing over there. Glad I walked away for a minute. Oh. Blew another hose. This is how much progress was made on the stump before the line blew again. It's all under that pile. Got some pretty big roots busted up. I am concerned that might have busted up some of these roots too, which would not be good because, yeah, there's an outhouse right there. that we just built. It is movable. Like, it is on concrete blocks, but at this point, we're not planning on moving it if we don't have to. I'm sure that'll take time if we, destroyed that tree. But this is how much we got on the stump. This one's a tough one. Just doesn't want to give it up. God knew what he was doing when he made trees. I believe there's a Bible verse that talks about being a tree planted by the water. It's firmly rooted. So, there you are. Wonder what we're gonna get done then. Looks like it's clouding up just a bit. But not too bad. Temperature's really nice today. It's a little warm, but it's a nice little breeze blowing consistently, so that helps. It's definitely cooled off from those really hot days we've had. Well, since the line blew, we can work on that, so we're working on clearing trees. That tree is good. Right there. Down at some point. Clearing out the underbrush so we have a nice like these, we're very thankful to have such generous brothers and sisters in Christ who lend us their tractor. Dig them up by the root and sell them to a nursery. Wonder if they'd go for that. Nature, it's all over me. Get it off, get it off, get it off. Sorry, I had to. Alright, we'll see the finished product here after a bit. This was all underbrushed today with the tractor and the weed eater with the brush hog attachment on it. The lines broke, so the plastic lines, so we don't have that anymore. This is the stump, the beastly stump that we can't get out. Got some tables and chairs, table and chairs. Alright, tractor's put away. Got a little more cleared out here. Still some stumps. There were some stumps right in there. There's still one there, but there were some rotten ones in here that David got cleared out today. Actually, I'll show you real quick. They were rotten enough he could just push them out. Still some bitsies left, but pretty darn good. Now we've got a nice little fork in the road here. That's where the backhoe's parked. Our brush pile that we had there has been removed. And a little cleared spot here. And all that brush got pushed up back in there. So David says it looks like the main trail now. I don't know, some work to do still, but it's coming along. Turn around. There he is. Covered in hydraulic fluid. Still going strong.
Tell him what I found today.
What, the rat? Oh, he found his sunglasses.
My sunglasses. They were on the side of the trail.
We lost those.
Yeah.
Couldn't find them. Had to buy a new pair when we went a trip to her friend's lake house last weekend. And here they were, just laying around. So, it's coming along.
Yep.
Little progress is still progress. So, alright, we're calling it quits for the day. Both pretty tired, but more to come. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.